Hey everyone, Jim Fry here at Cervini's. On today's video, we are going to review the installation of our 2015 to 2020 Mustang Stalker rear spoiler. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is remove your factory spoiler if your car is equipped with one. The car we're using was not equipped with a factory spoiler. Start by prepping the surface of your deck lid with isopropyl alcohol. You want to wipe down the area wherever the double-sided tape makes contact to. Next, you need to dry fit your wing, meaning placing it on your deck lid, and then use a couple pieces of masking tape to mark the perimeter. That's going to help you later on so you know how to align your spoiler. Next, you will need to prep your spoiler with the double-sided tape. Install the double-sided tape and peel back the edges as shown here. This allows you to set the spoiler down without it adhering to the deck lid completely. Wipe down your trunk lid with the supplied adhesion promoter packet. Make sure you wipe down the perimeter of the deck lid where your double-sided tape will make contact to. The adhesion promoter is a good idea because it helps promote the bond from the 3M tape. Next, you need to place your spoiler on your vehicle. You want to align it to the masking tape that was previously installed. After you're happy with the fitment, take a step back, review the fitment, make sure you're happy with the alignment, left and right, top to bottom. Make sure it aligns properly to the deck lid, that it's not sitting up too high or too low. Failure to make sure this part's aligned properly will likely result in adhesion issues later on. So it's a very crucial step. You want to make sure this is installed properly. Here we're panning through the shots and showing you proper alignment, paying extra attention to how high it's sitting up on the deck lid and the alignment to the inner trunk where it meets your rear quarter. Now we're going to begin removing the film backing from the double-sided tape. Start on one end, peel back the tape as shown, and repeat this step on the other side. After both ends are adhered down to the deck lid, start by removing the tape on the top side of the wing first. Work left to right or right to left, and work from the outer edge towards the center. Make sure you apply constant pressure as you're pulling the film backing off, and push down the spoiler firmly before moving on. The last step on the center section is removing the film from the lower section of the spoiler, and here we're going to start working from the inside out. So start in the center of the spoiler, remove the film backing, pressing down on the spoiler as you remove the film. Work in small sections, start from the center and work your way out left, and then repeat that on the right side or vice versa. Moving on to the outer sections that adhere to the rear quarters, the first thing we want to do is get isopropyl alcohol, clean those quarters again where the double-sided tape will come into contact with the panel of the vehicle. Do a dry fit first, align the end cap on your quarter, aligning it to the center section of the wing. Make sure you have it aligned properly. Spend extra time checking the top side of the spoiler to the rear end cap. That needs to be aligned properly. And then you're going to take masking tape and line it up as shown here. Again, this is a guide so that when you place the spoiler on the vehicle with a section of double-sided tape backing removed, you can have it in the proper spot. After you've dry fit and placed masking tape down on each quarter panel for your end cap, you can begin to prep the end cap for double-sided tape. Peel the corners back as shown, using masking tape to keep the red film backing in place. Start by peeling up the film backing that is on the section of the end cap that meets the deck lid. Align it to your quarter using the masking tape previously installed as a guide. Check for proper alignment Make sure it's aligned properly to the quarter, to your center spoiler. After you've checked fitment, you can proceed to install the rest of the end cap. Remove the film backing from the rest of the quarter, again applying pressure as you remove the backing from the end cap. After you've installed the end cap, repeat this step on the opposite side. And there you have it. After your spoiler's been installed, let it sit on your car for 24 hours in 75-degree weather. That is the recommendation from 3M, and it has been a tried and true standard at Cervini's for years. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via our social media channels, or you can email us at info@cervinis.com. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and make sure you subscribe.